Today we are going to study the new topic. That is one is the light up the world. And in this case, we took on a specific country that is Brazil. Remember, today we finished the unit number 5. And okay, the next week we start with the next unit. Okay, so let's see. Remember, today is Tuesday, July 14th, 2020. And our motto is we are the different with Jesus. Remember, every day we need to pray to Jesus for the person that are, let me see, in the first line of this pandemic, for our family, for our friends, for our classmates, for our teachers, for the school, etc. Yes? Okay, let's start. In this case, we talk about Brazil, okay, and we have a Brazil map here, and we have different monuments or different pictures that represents, okay, the most important city in South America. Okay, Brazil is the largest country in South America and also the fifth largest nation in the world. Okay, the Brazilian landscape is very varied. Okay, in this case, landscape in Spanish is paisaje. Okay, that means have different or has different landscapes in the country. And for that reason, this one is one of the most visited countries around the world. Yeah, because the landscapes are beautiful. It is the most well known for its dense forests. Okay, that means has different forests that are big and including the Amazon. That is the world's largest jungle in the north. Okay, remember in this country we can find the Amazon River and the Amazon forest that are important for this country. Yes? Okay, so let's see. Now we talk about the flag of Brazil. In the flag, okay, if you notice, has three colors, okay, green, yellow, and blue. Okay, the green color of the Brazilian flag represents the country's flora or plants and fauna. Okay, what is the meaning of fauna? In this case, the kind of animals that we can find in a place, which is wildlife. Okay, the yellow triangle represents gold, and the blue glove represents the night sky. Yes, okay, in this case, the green color represents the flora and the fauna, that's mean the plants and the animals. The yellow color that is inside of a triangle, okay, this represents the gold, and the globe that is blue represent the night sky, okay. So let's continue. In this case, we developed the first exercise, the light up the world, page 52, okay, and we read and then we label, okay, in the map. The first paragraph says, okay, Brazil is a large country in South America. A big area is covered by the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon River is long and runs through the forest into the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, and in this case, we have the flag here and we need to color. Okay, what is the color of the flag? Okay, green, the triangle is yellow, and the globe is blue. Yes, that represent the night sky. Okay, I give you 1 minute for coloring this one. Yes, okay, remember you can color with a marker or you can color with color pencil, and if you have crayon you can color with that. Okay, the important thing is that you color and you color in a correct way. Yes, okay, so let's see, I give you the space for coloring. Yes, you need to use your marker, etc. Okay, excellent. And you have the Brazil flag in that case. Okay, so let's see. If you notice in the map, we have different plants. Yes, okay, we have some leaves, we have some palms, and in this case, represent a specific place that the paragraph that I have already read, okay, sets or mention. Okay, this is a big area, okay, that we call the Amazon rainforest. Exactly. Okay, the Amazon rainforest. And then we have a river, okay, that has the shape of a snake. Yes, and what is the name of this river? And in this case is the Amazon River. Exactly. Okay, so we have the Amazon rainforest and the Amazon River. Yes, these one are the two important places in Brazil. Yes. Okay, let's continue. The capital is called Brasilia. Okay, that's mean the capital of Brazil is Brasilia. There are two cities bigger than Brasilia. Okay, we have Sao Paulo and also Rio de Janeiro. Okay, these one are the two cities that are bigger, okay, than Brasilia. Okay, so you have Brasilia, you have Sao Paulo, and Rio de Janeiro too. Okay, the Brazilian flag is green and has a yellow diamond. Inside the diamond, there is a blue circle with 27 stars. And these 27 stars represents, okay, the cities that has Brazil. Okay, the first arrow in this case is Brasilia. That is the capital. Yeah. Okay, Brasilia is the capital of Brazil. Then we have the next city that is Sao Paulo. Okay, I'm sorry. I have a little mistake here. Okay, this is with the letter U, no with O. Okay, Sao Paulo. Okay, it's not Paolo. I'm sorry for this mistake. It's Sao Paulo. Okay, and then we have the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, that is next to the country. And then we have Rio de Janeiro. That is other city. Yes, one of the most important city in Brazil. Okay, that's mean we have Brasilia, Sao Paulo, Rio de Janeiro, and we have the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, excellent job that we developed right now. Good job. Okay, now we continue in the next page, but first one, we check some vocabulary in this case. Okay, we have the rainforest. If you notice in the picture, we have some animals. Well, an animal that in this case is a bird and it's a toucan. Okay, and we have different plants. Yeah, we have some rocks, we have some leaves. Okay, and this is a rainforest. What is a rainforest? Okay, it's a place or it's a forest that is hot or that is warm. That's mean if you visited this place is with a the temperature is high. Okay, but it rains every day. Okay, that's mean every day rains in that place. Why? Because okay, we have different plants or different trees, and due to this one, okay, let me see, the clouds, okay, take the oxygen and the water, okay, that has in that place, and then we rained. Yeah, okay, this is a rainforest, a big forest with different kind of plants, with different kind of trees, but it's hot, but at the same time rains every day. Okay, next word, this is ecology. And what is ecology? Ecology is a kind of science that study the different elements of the earth. For example, study the plants, the animals, and the air, the water, etc. And okay, one of the purpose of this science is to take care of the earth. That means to promote okay different actions for caring the earth. Yes. Okay, and in the picture we have the sun, we have clouds. Okay, we have some symbols that mean the electricity or the energy that the earth give us. Yes. Okay, so this is the ecology part. Okay, now we have the oxygen. Remember that the oxygen is part of us. Yeah, because it is necessary for us, because in that case, okay, we breathe with this kind of oxygen, and this one is a gas. Okay, we don't see this kind of element. Okay, and the most important part is for the plants. Yes, because the plants need to oxygen or produce oxygen, okay, for living. And if you notice, okay, during the day the oxygen, okay, transfer in photosynthesis, and in the night this one is the cellular respiration. Okay, so, and for example the water, okay, we have two elements in the water. One of them is the oxygen. Yes. Okay, then we have the plants. Remember, we have different plants, or we have different kind of plants. We have the ornamental plants, the medicine plants, the poison plants, okay, las plantas venenosas, yeah, okay. We have different plants. Yeah, we have the plants that have or that give us fruits, okay, or gives flowers, etc. Yes, okay. In some of them we have in the garden. Now we have the medicine. In this case, we talk about the natural medicine. Okay, we have the aloe vera, we have the ginger, the lemon, okay, the cinnamon, the garlic. Okay, all of these one are medicine, but in a natural way. Okay, and we talk about the kind of animals. In the first one, we talk about the reptiles. Okay, remember the reptiles have scales, not fur. That means escamas. Yes, have dry skin. usually lay eggs and sometimes leave young. Ear holes instead of ears, ok, tiene como agujeros en lugar de orejas. For legs or no legs, for example, the snake doesn't have legs. And cold blood, ok, the reptiles, cold blood, ellos son sangre fría. Okay, excellent. Then we have the amphibians, live on land and in water, with feet, okay, como pies pegajosos, breathe with lungs and gills, cold blood, moist smooth skin, no hair or fur, four leg and sometimes none, and lay many eggs. Okay, that's mean the amphibians and the reptiles are cold blood. Todos estos son de sangre fría. Okay, now we have the birds, have feathers and wings, lay eggs, have two legs, ear holes instead of ear, and they are warm blood, son de sangre caliente. Okay, then we have the mammals, have hair or fur, okay, tienen como vellitos, give birth to live young, mammal mother nurse their young with milk, okay, quiere decir que dan de alimento la leche, have lungs and need air to breathe. In mammals that live on land, have four legs and ears that stick out, warm blood, sangre caliente. Okay, that's mean the mammals and also the birds are warm blood and the amphibians and the reptiles are cold blood. Yes? Okay, excellent. So let's see. Let's continue. Now we talk about the page 53. And this one is to find and underline the vocabulary words. Okay, I give you exactly 1 minute for develop these exercises. Remember the vocabulary that we study: ecology, mammals, reptiles, amphibians, okay, birds, rainforest, oxygen, medicine, and you need to find this word in this kind of paragraph. It's a kind of paragraph, yeah, but also we have different letters. Yes. Okay, so let's see. I give you some seconds for finding the words. Yes. Okay, so let's see. Ecology, this is the first one, yes? Okay, then we have the rainforest, excellent. Then we have the medicine, amphibian, okay, mammals. Then we have the plants, the oxygen, and the last part, the reptiles, yes? Okay, ecology, rainforest, medicine, amphibians, mammals, plants, oxygen, and reptiles. Excellent job. Okay, now we continue in the same page, in page 53, but in this case, we read some paragraphs that we have here with the next information. The Amazon rainforest is a dense, warm, and wet forest. It's very important to the world's ecology because its plants generate most of the Earth's oxygen. Good job. The plants are also important because people use them to produce medicine that cures serious illnesses. There are millions of animals in the rainforest, including microscopic animals, invertebrates like insects and worms, fish, reptiles, amphibians, birds, and big mammals. Yes? Okay. If you notice, we discussed about the vocabulary. Yes, okay, the Amazon is one of the rainforests. Why? Because it's big. Also, it's hot or warm, or maybe wet, because it rains every day. Let's see, is one of the most important ecology part of in the world, okay, and in this case we can find the oxygen. We have different plants, okay, and trees, and most of them we use for medicine. And we have different kind of animals, okay, we have some invertebrate animals and some vertebrate animals. Okay, we have the fish, the reptiles, amphibians, birds, and mammals. This one is the classification of the animals. Yes. Okay, and the last part, page 53. Okay, we label the kind of animals. Okay, and in this case, the first one is a bird, exactly. The second one, the snake, is a reptile. And the frog is an amphibian. And the last one is a fish. Okay, excellent job. Okay, remember the activity in our notebook. You need to draw, okay, a rainforest with the different kind of vocabulary that we study. Okay, and you need to write the name. Okay, I explain you in Spanish. Va a dibujar un rainforest en su cuaderno y le va a colocar los diferentes elementos que hemos visto en la clase. Por ejemplo, un anfibio, un pájaro, un mamífero, le va a colocar una planta, alguna que sea medicinal. Entonces, y eso, usted le va a escribir su nombre y esa va a ser su actividad de cuaderno. Ok, thank you for your attention. Okay, thank you for participating in the class and have an excellent week. Thank you very much.